Hey there everyone. Well, let's go ahead and see the quick and easy way to screen mirror or cast your iPhone and iPad to HiSense Fire TV and watch your personal content or game in a bigger screen. But before we start mirroring, there is some settings you need to check out on your TV. For that, let's go ahead and go to Settings and then navigate to Display and Sound section. Now keep scrolling down in here until you find the Apple AirPlay and HomeKit option. Enter the option. Make sure both your Apple device and HiSense TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now let's go ahead and open the AirPlay settings. Now first of all, although it's turned on by default, just make sure in case that AirPlay is turned on. You can also customize a few options like choosing how often you want a code to appear before screen mirroring to avoid any accidental connection. Alright, so now we're going to start mirroring. So grab your iPhone or iPad, swipe down and open Control Center, and here find out the screen mirroring option and just go ahead and tap on it. And a code will appear on your TV to confirm the connection. Enter that code on your iPhone or iPad to confirm, and then simply tap OK. And that's it. Your screen should start casting right away. You can now just go ahead, play games, or maybe you watch your own photos and personal videos on the TV. If you're using an iPad, the connection and mirroring process is exactly the same. Now when you're done to stop mirroring, just open the screen mirroring option on Control Center and simply tap on the stop mirroring button. Or you can also either press the home or back button on your Fire TV remote. Now just in case if you didn't get an AirPlay option, maybe you're using an updated interface on your TV or Fire Stick, we have a video on how to screen mirror when the AirPlay option is not showing. If you want, you can just go ahead and check it out. That's all for today. See you at the next one.